everyone, Trish here. Thanks so much for coming in to say hi. Today we are going to do a Sephora haul. I'm actually combining two videos. I made a trip to Sephora the end of the week and picked up some palettes and a couple different things. Well, I ended up having to take one of the palettes back. I could not get it to work for me within 4 hours. It was muddy looking. It did not perform on my eyes like it swatched. So it went back, and it was the Carli Bybel palette. I was really disappointed because I really enjoy the Jackie palette, but totally different. So I did pick up a few more things, and I don't want to do two small hauls. That's just kind of weird. So I thought I would just share with you quickly the things that I picked up last night, and then we will just blend on into the haul that I filmed already. If you're interested in seeing the things that I purchased both times, then just keep watching. I looked at the other things there in Sephora palette-wise. I was really tempted to get the spiced, is it spiced gingerbread? The new gingerbread palette that's out. But I looked at it and I thought, you know what? I just have those colors so many times in my collection. I just passed on it. This really did intrigue me as far as a gift even. This is the Beauty Blender Dripping in Diamonds. It's $35 and you get 2 beauty blenders. So let's open it real quick. Okay, so here's the packaging. We'll open it up. Isn't that cute? And then here you get 2 beauty blenders and you get matching beauty blender cleanser. I'm going to have to get another one because my daughter will freak out. How cute are these? That is too cute. And then you get, of course, the pink and the blue beauty blenders. I was walking by and I overheard somebody talking about this. I don't think I've heard anybody else talk about it. You all know that my IT brush that I loved from last year, the foundation brush, fell apart on me. I was sad because the one they came out with this year is totally different. Not going to give the same finish. Nevertheless, so I've been looking for a new love to replace my foundation brush. This one looked promising. Full coverage foundation brush. This is from the Sephora collection. I don't know if any of you have tried this brush. I am super interested to try it. And then I saw this, and this felt amazing. And this is actually the Fenty BeautyBuff foundation brush. Isn't that? And it's beautiful, so I'm excited. I've been wanting some darker liquid lipsticks that would stay put, or I could add gloss like I did today. This is what I have on today from Anastasia. This is Trust Issues. Now, what I have on top of it is Fenty Beauty's Lip Balm in Fussy. I put this on last night. It was a lot darker than I thought it was going to be, but I still like it. This is Bohemian. Very pretty, very pretty. Now, this one I have not worn yet. This is Seraphine. Isn't that a pretty red? I'm really excited to try that one. The last two things I got were concealers. This is the Stay Naked Correcting Concealer. This is a number 20 CP. And this is what I have on today. I'm not decided. I don't hate it. I'm not as impressed as I thought I would be. And the other one that I got is Makeup Forever HD. This is the Light Capturing Self-Setting Concealer, and I got mine in number 12. That looks so white, but I swatched it. That's how fair I am, y'all. So I'm excited to try this one. I'll probably do that tomorrow. And I'm getting ready to place my order. I'll share with you what is in my basket. They're out of the one thing that I really, really, really wanted. It's the Murad Eye Lift Firming Treatment. It's expensive. If I still love it as much as I did yesterday when I'm done using this little sample, I will pay the $70 full price. I will. There's no question. Absolutely, I will. I have a couple different eye creams in here. I have the Laneige Kiss Me at Midnight set. Winter's coming. Philosophy. I have a great big Philosophy in my basket. I have the Olaplex Bond Maintenance Conditioner because I'm almost completely out of mine. Probably should just get 2 of those and another shampoo. I do not use those every time I wash my hair. It's just a little bit too much, but I do like to use them once a week, once every 2 weeks. I have, I have 4. I have 4 eye creams, so that will narrow down. I have the Clarisonic Skincare Mia Smart Anti-Aging and Cleansing Skincare Holiday Gift Set. It's $199. It is a $279 value. You get the Mia Smart 3-in-1 Daily Radiance Brush, Firming Massage Brush, Head, Revitalizing Cleanse Brush Head, registration card, the 2-year warranty. So I'm kind of between the Dyson Airwrap and the NuFace. I just don't know. I know I would use the Dyson. I don't know if I would use the NuFace consistently enough for the price tag. So let me know if you have any of the things that are in my list or that I'm talking about. I'll tell you the eye creams I'm deciding between. The Clinique Repair Wear Anti-Gravity Eye Lift Cream, the Believe Peat Miracle Revital Eye Cream, the Glam Glow Bright Eyes Illuminating Anti-Fatigue Eye Cream. I've heard that's really good to put on right before your concealer. And the Shiseido Benefits Wrinkle Smoothing Eye Cream. So those are the eye creams that I'm choosing. I'm undecided right now. So let me know what you think in the comments below. And I'm going to flip over now to the previous haul that I already filmed. I did grab a couple things that I really had decided, just seeing them online, not to purchase. But then when I saw them in person and swatched them, you know what happened. One is this, and I do not know the story behind this packaging. Carli Bybel palette. Same as the outer box, but inside, I just put my thumb in that. I sure did. These collars are gorgeous, and they swatch so nicely. It had the matte bone collar. It had a couple different options for transition collars. There's a lot of things to be done with this, so I wanted to get it and give it a go. I had seen Tika talk about this on her Instagram stories, and she said that this was what she was wearing, I think, one whole week. And I thought, okay. Then I saw it. Number one, the packaging is just so stinking cute. Hot buttered rum. This is probably going to go in my to-go bag. That way, if I'm running a little late, I can just toss these on once I get to my mom's and I don't have to worry about it. These 3 were definitely on my list to get. I have all of her palettes except the neon ones. They didn't speak to me. And this packaging, I mean, hello. How nice. This is the light, and they're just gorgeous. This is the medium nude. Oh, just so pretty. And the dark. I love that color. Gorgeous. Just gorgeous. This I was very indecisive about. She is definitely upping her package game. Beautiful. I'll show you the last things that were actually, no, there was 2 other things that were actually in my cart to purchase, and I just grabbed them while I was in store. I wanted a couple backups of one of my new favorite mascaras. It's the LashCraft Big Volume in the kind of a purplish pink top, the LashCraft eyelash primer, and this one sounded really good. I have not tried it. We might do that tomorrow. LashCraft Have It All mascara. These were the other 2 things that I definitely knew I was going to get. The Sephora Solid Brush Cleanser. I use these for my beauty sponges. Nothing gets them as clean. This or the Beauty Blender brand, but these are a little bit less expensive. I don't have it in here with me, but I had purchased a bullet lipstick from Milani, and it was just that perfect color. I have to be very careful if I want to wear a more warm color that has any depth to it. And it was perfect. It was exactly what I wanted. The only issue is it did not wear, hardly at all. So I wanted to find a liquid lipstick or two that would be as close to the color as possible. And I think I found a couple really close. This is Sephora Liquid Lip Cream Stain in Vintage Rose. And then another one that I found, Bittersweet by Anastasia. I'm hoping that one of these will be the right color. And then I saw these and I was like, oh, yes, I think so. This is also from Anastasia. This is her lip set. I guess it's her holiday edition. And in this, you get Sand, On Mute, Peachy, Beaming, and then the lip gloss is Summer Vibes. And then I walked by the Fenty display. I had never really noticed these. Her Mattemoiselle Plush Matte Lippies. I got Spanked. That's Spanked. Oh, that is really pretty. And Thick. This is Spanked and this is Thick. Okay, that is it for my haul. Thank you all so much for hanging out with me. I hope that you have an amazing day. I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.